Let's talk about Cookie USDT, and right now Cookie is curving down. Yes, money flow has had a, as you can see right here, has had a local support, and this low right here is higher than this one, so that's a little bullish, but it's still curving down. Momentum is curving down, VWAP is curving down, so will not be bidding today. This one, we also have like a million shorts open, which is a lot. That's like 100k shorts right here, a million in the token, so 100k. So I would expect another today plus tomorrow red. I would expect one or two more red days. So definitely not buying Cookie. Let me know your thoughts on Cookie though. And right now there's great bonuses from Deep Trade. I forgot to say that. They have over 20 mil cumulative signups, and there's 100 grand in early bird benefits. They're a great program if you want to use the TraderX AI, which is super nice. It can get you a nice AI driven strategy, which is results driven. You can see what results different people are getting, and then tune into that. So definitely do check it out. I'll have links for that in the description down below, and basically everything you need. You can also use with Deep Trade XAI, it's like a prompt like ChatGPT, where you can basically create strategies. So yeah, definitely do check it out. I'll have the links for description down below. Love you with all my heart. See you next video. Bye.